Hey, what is up, Earthlings? Welcome back to Terrestrial Tech. Today we have the 11-inch iPad Pro M4 variant with us. Yes, I know, this came out last year and we are almost a year and a half down. But better late than never, right? So, this has 256GB of storage, and obviously M4 is better than any previous versions. But if we talk about the latest releases, then M5 is 35% faster, and some display upgrades, but that's really about it. So technically it just depends on what the pricing is really. And yeah, anyways, let's get this open. As always, struggling on this. On this channel there must be an agenda of boxes against us, cause every single video there is a struggle in opening them. Also, one of the other main differences you might see is that the M5 version has 12GB of RAM while the M4 has 8, and the M5 comes with a 120Hz display refresh rate versus the M4, which only has 60. We will get more onto the differences, but yeah. So we do get a charger on this which has Type-C, which is really cool, which is good, and the cable comes braided. I love braided cables. I feel like they add to the strength. I feel like, yeah, longevity more of it, but yeah. Let's keep this aside and get on with the unboxing. Here's the iPad. Let's give this baby a little tap and start unpacking. This comes off, and you can see I've got the silver version with me today. You only get the space black and the silver version from now on, so this one as well as the next one will probably be the same. On this side we have the volume rockers and a bit of smoothness. At the bottom we have two speakers and the Type-C. On this side, nothing. Yup, pretty smooth. And on this side we have two speakers at the top and the power button. Wait, before you do start, I did get the Magic Keyboard, so let's quickly get this unboxed and assemble all of it together. So, the Magic Keyboard, it does come in white or black color. It is made from aluminum, so pretty durable. It does have the trackpad, which is cool, with Apple's signature haptic feedback. So you get 14 function keys, which is pretty cool, very useful, and the keys are backlit with 1mm of travel, which means obviously they are quiet, allegedly. We are going to have to test that. It does come with a Type-C connector, Type-C pass-through connector, and the top angles, which is good. You can, adjust your viewing angles, which you would always want to do. So the basics are there. How is the keyboard? It is pretty quiet. I am typing quite roughly. I don't suppose everybody types like this, but yeah. So, the iPad does just stick straight on there, which is really cool. Obviously, the magnetic experience of Apple. Wait, that should be a slogan. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Do like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In case you missed it, we did post a shorts earlier. Go check that out. Peace out.